A Light Rain in Summer by James Hunt. Open the window and let the air freshly blow upon face and hair, and fill the room as it fills the night with the breath of the rain's sweet might. Hark, the burthen swift and prone, and how the odorous limes are blown. Stormy love's abroad, and keeps hopeful coil for gentle sleeps. Not a blink shall burn tonight in my chamber of sordid light. Naught will I have, not a window pane, twixt me and the air and the great good rain. Whichever shall sing me sharp lullabies, and God's own darkness shall close mine eyes, and I will sleep with all things blessed in the pure earth shadow of natural rest.